Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix any bug in Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and you need to check your internet speed first. So sometimes you can face an issue due to low internet speed. So make sure you have a good internet connection. So you can use this website to check, and after that you need to search on Google, is Messenger down, and you need to open this website downdetector.com. So after that you can see any issue in Facebook Messenger. Here as you can see that there is no issue in the Messenger in the last 24 hours. And the third method you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Okay, and you need to update your Messenger application. After that your issue will be solved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.